Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add LuxAlgo to TradingView. And with this I mean the indicators from LuxAlgo. Because LuxAlgo is a nice tool that are selling nice indicators to other platforms where you can do your analysis on. So let's say we want to use a LuxAlgo indicator on TradingView. Then what we're going to do is we go right here to library. And then we search right here for an indicator. So let's do right now the order flow VWAP deviation. Then we select right here on see details, scroll down, and then we select right here get access. Here's a little instruction, but I already know how to get access. So I select right here get access. And then right now he will send us to the TradingView webpage. Then right here we can click on use on chart. And then right now he sent us to the chart. And if I remove right here the ICT concepts, you will find right here the indicator that we just added to TradingView. So if you want to add LuxAlgo to TradingView, you can do that simply by going to the library, search right here which one you want to add, which indicator, and then click further and further, and then you have it right here in your TradingView. So this is how you can do that, and this is how you can add LuxAlgo to TradingView. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.